Hello kids, how you are doing? So today in EVS class we are going to read chapter number 2, our body. We have already discussed much about our body and body parts. Today we are going to read the chapter from the book. So now let's start. Do you know about the different parts of your body and the work that they do? Do you all know? My eyes help me to see. My ears help me to hear or listen. My nose helps me to smell. Learning ladder. Our body has many parts. These different parts help us to do different things. We have already discussed that our body has many parts and all these parts are equally important and they do different work, but they all do work together. Now let's discuss parts of our body. Upper part of our body. The head and neck are in the upper part of our body. As we have already discussed, neck and head are the part of our upper body. Now we are going to discuss about parts of our head. The face, forehead, eyes, ears, mouth, nose and chin are parts of our head. You can see here face of a boy and all the parts of our head are located over there. The teeth and tongue are placed inside the mouth. The teeth help us to chew food. The tongue helps us to speak and to taste our food. As we have discussed in the class also, the teeth and the tongue are inside our mouth, and the part which help us to chew our food, to turn it into small pieces, are teeth. And the tongue helps us in two ways, to speak and to taste our food. The neck helps us to hold the head up straight. It also helps us to move our head. The shoulders help us to carry things like a school bag. We have two arms. Each arm has an elbow and a hand. As I have already told you that neck is a part of our body that keeps our head straight and it further helps our head to move. With the help of neck, we can move our head in different directions. We can move it left, right, up or down. And shoulders. The shoulder help us to carry things. Now we all have two arms and each arm has an elbow and a hand. Elbow helps our hand to move, to fold. Now can you count? Our hand has dash fingers and dash thumb. Count and tell how many fingers you have and how many thumb. I can count. I have 8 fingers and 2 thumb. Our hands help us to write, paint and hold things. What are these children doing with their hands in the picture? Can you see, children? What the first picture what the girl is doing? She is dash her food. She is eating her food. Next picture, she is dash a guitar. What she is doing with guitar? She is playing a guitar. In the third picture, a boy is sitting and he is doing something. What the boy is doing? He is tying his shoelaces. As you can see, all of them using their hand to do different things. Lower part of our body. Our legs are in the lower part of our body. Each leg has a knee and a foot. Each foot has 5 toes, an ankle and a heel. See here in the picture you can see a boy. See where knee, ankle and toes. Are you able to see? Yes, our legs are in the lower part of our body. And on each leg we have got a knee. Knee help legs to bend and to move in different direction. Our legs help us to walk, run, jump, skip and dance. Now we are going to write down keywords of the chapter Our Body. All of you be ready with your EVS notebook. Open a new page and let's start. On the top left corner, you will write down today's date. What is the date today? Today is 28 April 2020. So we will write 28.4.20. After that, you are going to write down CW on the first line. On the second line, you will write L-2. Now you are going to keep one finger space and you will write down lesson name. Our body. R O will be capital and body B will be capital. Below this line, left side, you will start just after the line, margin line. You will write keywords. Below keywords, you will write one dot. First word, forehead. F-O-R-E, four, H-E-A-D, head, forehead. Number 2, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Number 3, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Number 4, chew. C-H-E-W, chew. Number 5, taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. Number 6, shoulders. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S, shoulders. Number 7, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Number 8, ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Number 9, heel. H-E-E-L, heel. Now children, we have written one time in classwork. Now you need to draw a line the way I have drawn and you are going to write down all the keywords again at home. If you do it in a nice handwriting, and I am going to see everyone's work tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.